Step 1.
Confirm compatibility
of the connector, cable, and tools prior to assembly. Step 2. Chop the end of the cable with a cutter like this one if needed. Step 3. Slide the crimp sleeve over the cable. Very important. Step 4. Use a proper 3-blade tool like this one. Tune it to cut it precisely. This is how you want to see, making sure the conductor is free of debris and offcuts. The insulation on its own with no aluminum foil, and the braided shield intact. Step 5. Gently separate the braided shield from the insulation with this tool. Step 6. Crimp the contact pin once. Leave no gap. Crimp at the butt of the pin. Make sure it's not bent. Step 7. Push the connector body until you hear a click. It has to go all the way in. Step 8. Slide the crimp sleeve up against the connector body over the braided shield until it butts against the connector body. Step 9. Crimp the sleeve in place once against the connector. This will leave a camber at the end. Step 10, test it, and off you go.